So, oh, that's cool.
Flashback.
What we got?
I got you, baby. I think it might be 3 from the back on this, I reckon. For the rare at the front.
Is that a hit?
Yeah.
What is a hit?
Mate, the Iron Valiant Future EX. That's a banger card. There you go. Mate, you smashed that. There you go. That's one of the most popular cards in the set.
End of Flashback.
Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Dan and this is Dan's Out and About. So a couple of weeks ago I went down to Collector Clash down in Brighton. I was given a pack of Pokemon cards as I entered. Basically everyone was given a pack, and at 12 o'clock everyone was called to the stage and we were all told to open the cards at the same time. So Will, who invited me down, did me a solid and opened my cards for me as I had my hands full. So the set that I was given was called the Paradox Rift, and the card that I pulled out was called the Iron Valiant EX, which apparently is one of the rarer cards in that set. So as I was given it for free, I thought to myself, well, I'll pop over to one of the stalls. The stall that I went to was Ace Grading, and what they did is they taught me through what they do and how they grade the cards, and you know, the different things they do. So they'll put in a nice display case and everything like that for me, which is fantastic. So I took them up on the offer. It was £10 to get the grading done. I just went for the very basic grading. So they do all sorts of really nice cases and like toppers for that tells you the grading. I'm sure I'm saying all the wrong things, but you know, to me it just makes it look really nice in its little display case. But I gave them a tiny little Pokemon card, and what they sent me back was this huge box. It is really well packed. Everything's secure. There's definitely not going to be any damage done to the card. So let's open it up and have a look. Right, so I popped all the big box off, and this was what was inside. So it was packaged all around the sides as well. And there was also a seal at the bottom which I've broken, just so we can open it up together and see what we got. So let's have a look. I'm not sure what to expect in here. Right. More packing. Okay. So, so there's the card. The card's in there. So, for all that large amount of packing, it's all to protect this little card, which is pretty cool. I mean, I guess some of these cards are going to be worth a lot of money, so you know, they're all collector's items. So let's get this unwrapped. Let's see what we got. Okay. So, oh, that's cool. Let's have a look. 10. So that's been graded 10. Bloody hell. So that's the highest rank. So this particular card is mint. Oh fucking hell, that's awesome. So yeah, so that's what I mean by the display case. So I think they call them, I think they're called slabs if you're into that's what, when I've been having a look at these online, they're called these slabs. So these are like the plastic display cases. So it's sealed on the inside there. It's actually it looks like it's in, I don't know if you're going to be able to see because it's quite shiny. So it seems as though, looking by the corners here, it's actually in a sleeve, and then it's pushed into this plastic slab, and then the topper there is added to it as well. So 2023 Paradox Rift Iron Valiant EX Special Illustration Rare hash or number 249, and it's a 10, graded 10 by Gem Mint. So that's awesome. So that's by Ace Grading. So all their stuff's on the back here. It's really nice, a nice logo there. Yeah, Ace Grading's Pokemon card thing on the back. It's actually in another slip case as well. I don't know if you're supposed to take those off or not, but I'm going to leave it in there. Yeah. So what I'll do now is I'll brag to Will about what I've got and see if he'll trade it for a tattoo. Or what I'll probably do, to be honest with you, I'll probably get like a little thing to mount it on the wall. So that's pretty cool. Like, you know, I'm not a massive collector, but what I've decided to do is the different things that I pick up as I go around making these YouTube videos. I'm just going to sort of create myself a nice wall display album. So yeah, so that's really cool. So yeah, so as I say, that's Ace Grading, and I met them at Collector Clash down in Brighton. So the next Collector Clash has actually been announced for June. I think it's June the 26th. So that, again, that'll be down in Brighton. I think the ticket's going to be on sale pretty soon as well, so keep an eye out for those. So thank you for watching. If you like that, give us a like, give us a subscribe, keep an eye out on different things that are coming out. We're heading over to Japan in a couple of weeks, so we're going to have lots of different nerdy bits and pieces there as well. So I'm going to be headed to Akihabara, going to do some game hunting, going to go to some of the game centres. Also going to be headed to Disneyland, Universal. We're going to try and document as much as possible, and most importantly, vegan food, because I love to eat. So thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.